Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the Galaxy S9 and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts. Next, warm the back glass with a heat pad or hair dryer to soften adhesive. Aim for around 80-90 degrees C, but be careful. Once warm, attach a suction cup and use plastic picks to create a gap. Pry gently around the edge while keeping the adhesive warm. Make sure to work one section at a time so you don't crack the glass and lose control of the opening angle. Once the rear is open, remove the metal mid-frame screws and lift the bracket so connectors are visible. You need to disconnect the battery connector first to eliminate power. Do this with a plastic tool to avoid shorting. Pull the adhesive strips beneath the battery slowly. If they tear, apply a few drops of 90% isopropyl around the edges and gently pry with a plastic card. Be careful not to bend or puncture the battery. Pressure or sharp tools can cause a fire or swelling. You place the new battery in the correct orientation and reconnect the battery connector before reassembling the midframe. This ensures you can test power without sealing. Once connected, boot the phone to confirm it charges and the screen and sensors work. If everything is good, power down, apply new OEM-grade adhesive strips or double-sided adhesive, reseat the back glass, and press firmly to bond. If the phone does not turn on, recheck the battery connector and screw placements. Loose connections are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.